Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the embed code for a Google Drive video. This will let you integrate your videos into websites or other platforms with ease. First, open your browser and go to your Google Drive homepage. Locate the video file you want to embed. Next, click the three vertical dots next to the video. This opens a menu where you can access sharing options. In the sharing pop-up window, you'll see the default setting is restricted. Change this to anyone with the link so the video can be embedded. Now double-click the video to open it in preview mode. From here, click the three-dot menu again and choose to open the video in a new tab. Once the video is in its own tab, open the menu and select the Embed item option. This will generate the embed code. Highlight and copy the code provided. You can now paste it into any HTML-supported platform to display your video. And that's it. You've successfully created an embed code for your Google Drive video. This makes sharing and showcasing your content much more accessible across different platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.